Hello everyone, welcome back to Sean's tutorial number 2. Still going with map puzzle, but that will be more interesting because we're gonna try to connect different service provider to map puzzle and try to work out what is the zoom value actually meaning for everyone. Let's open up in the map puzzle. We will use walkscore as that data as the aim. We're gonna transfer to able to read and able to download from map puzzle. So as we looking at it, they're using pretty much, I can say they're using Google Map as their underlayer to overlaying their data on top, the green contours to identify where is the best walk score is, where is the worst walk score is. So the exercise will be capture the top layer, or we can also capture the base layer as well, if that's helpful for you. And then I assume they're using the same coordinate systems because those maps is talking each other. So, and also we have the Google Map setting in the map puzzle. So maybe we can easily translate the Google Map language to translate the walkscore language to Google Map languages with the same approach to download it to your computer. So let's start. To changing the list of the service provider, you and you need to open that up. Will come along with your where you save your map puzzle is service MP configuration. So open up with your notepad. You get a whole list of the service provider. As we say, we're gonna use Google as an example to understand what's going on, what should be done. So I highlighted all the Google service here. They come up with the name in the front with the bracket. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the Google Map services. They have X value in the front, Y value in the middle, zoom value in the back. Doesn't matter, it's a little bit confused, but we're gonna go to actual website to see what value is what. So if you go to walkscore website, you don't have to be full screen, but just easier for me to show it. Press F2, F12, sorry, F12, F12, F12. And then when you start to moving, the little things comes up. And what is the PNG thing? And when we open it up, it doesn't show anything. That's the thing we're aiming to downloading for. Because there's a PNG, they support the transparency layer. You can see there's a black, but maybe it's not black, maybe it's just transparent. You couldn't see, so it shows the background color. That's another story. So, what if we zoom out? We change it to 14 PNG. And move along, still naming as a 14. Move out a bit, 13, 12. So I bet the numbering in front of the PNG is the zoom value, the scale we're looking for. Maybe let's say put 15, zoom 15 as the information we want. So we select the one of those map, hold it, it pops up the URL. Also you have the URL here, say walkscore blah blah blah. let's copy across, put underneath the Google value. So as we said before, should have bracket walk score, and yeah, zoom 15. Let's say it doesn't have to be put the number and the zoom thing inside. Just let me remember what's going on. So we should have that front bit URL equal. So yep, so we got the URL equal HTTP, same thing, walk score v317. I'm not sure about the 17, maybe just leave the 17 in, maybe it could be the data is captured from 2017 and that's a version 3. So yeah, so we got the 2529587 and 20121. I will assume that could be the X value, so I just try to paste that in, try to paste the Y value in, and the 15 we talk about, we assume that's zoom value. Right, that's the walk score zoom 15 URL we have. Let's have a save it first and close it. Maybe you want to reopen up your application, so the application can refresh the list they have. It should pops up the service here saying walk score zoom 15. Yeah. Then before I'm doing another stuff in zoom 17, so I just name it zoom 17. So we're still using a zoom 15 if that method is working. And then again, we need to have a latitude and longitude. So we maybe get a suburb not in the middle of nowhere. We still can see the differential of the walk score value. As I said before, we capture the thing is on the laptop corner, so I paste that laptop corner information inside. There you go. So got those two in green. Zoom can say 15, and let's have a look. Yes, I don't know what does that mean, but we can overlay the Google Maps in it and refresh it. Still doesn't give us what it does. What it does preview doesn't give us in the preview, but machine is dumb. Let's use human brain to see if that works. So that zoom 15 such pixel, we cover such kilometers. The total number of tiles to download is 200. Maybe it's including the Google Maps tile or not, I don't know, but we could see it really soon. But anyway, this exercise is showing both to service provider. We actually downloading stuff. The file is exists. The path is valid. So back to the walk score service setting. So that walk score URL is the correct address. So the 17 should be the year, X is the X value, Y is the Y value, is also referencing to Google Map, also zoom value, also referencing the Google Map, but they just have different naming system. And the different naming system, different address, but the logic behind should be the same. So now we downloaded. Let's have a look. So what we're doing now is just checking it is because those two separate things we're downloading, right? We download this Google underlay and we download the walkscore overlay. And it looks alright because in the middle of the town it shows the highest walkscore. See the hub at Sunshine, that big row hubs. But we could do better to cross. Yeah, there you go. It's really really hard to get the correct adjust these. But what we're doing now, we overlay it. No, we just like to do it side by side. Sorry. Maximum L. We see the red road sunshine is in dark green, and 7-11 sunshine that street along is getting gradually not that good. So we come to baby mode sunshine superstore is almost in yellow. The good thing is we got a really clear overlaying to see what this actually means, because it's been multiplied by the underlays. Quite hard to get the information. You cannot measure one in Photoshop. In this case, you can just download the underlay as soon as the information is correct, the coordination is correct. So as soon as you should set the overlay none, try download again. It should give you the pure sunshine walkscore map. Yep, that's have a look. So just two map. You can see it. Eyeball is identical. Yeah, there you go. That is the walkscore map in scale 15 for Sunshine area in Melbourne. And then you can use that method to download the whole Melbourne metropolitan area if the scale is can cover. I mean the past pixel can cover, because you only can get maximum number. If you can type 0, it cannot get up more. So in this case, you maybe need to reduce your scale as such. The good thing is you always can see in Google Maps, and then you identify the location, and then you just change the map provider, because we just improved the coordination is the same. So if you're happy with the Google Map, and you change the map provider to give you a little bit direction where you actually downloading, and then you just can cross reference. You can just change the map provider to the walkscore or some other map providers. That's it for the second part tutorial. Thank you very much.